This is a porta potty review here on new home construction here, almost completed looks like. Beautiful home here at Emerald Isle Beach, North Carolina. So this porta potty probably has been here since day one, so it should be a good one. This is down east. So let's go in and check this one out. And it smells horrible. Yep, it's been here on site probably a long time. A little bit of a graffiti here, a little man's room. And I don't really see a current date. This was cleaned, let's see, like January, oh here we go, March 9th. Today's March 13th. So it shows it was cleaned recently. We have a toilet paper roll here. Floor is filthy. Got our vent pipe. It smells awful in here. We got toilet paper everywhere. Look at this. I'm not even going to open that toilet at all. And the toilet paper roll is ripped out. That's why all this is on the floor. Urinal doesn't look bad, but there's no soap dispenser in here at all if you want to wash your hands. The door is really dirty, like it's been scraped off. Manufactured by Hempel Corporation, Germantown, Wisconsin. Ooh, smells awful in here. Let's get out and take a look at the outside. Got a big door handle. Got our vent pipe up here, sitting on skids. Got a Coke Pepsi can there. But a really beautiful home here at Emerald Isle Beach. So big thumbs down, dirty porta potty. And this porta potty is located on the corner of Fawn Drive and Dearborn Drive off Coast Guard Road here at Emerald Isle, North Carolina.